watching Code with Heather. Welcome back to the Jira tutorial series. In this episode, we will talk about something really important, Jira Instance. You will often hear people say Jira Cloud or Jira Server, but what exactly that means? Let's break it down. In today's episode, we will learn about Jira Instance and its two types, Cloud and Server Instance. So let's start with Jira Instance. What is Jira Instance? A Jira instance is your personal Jira setup. It's where all your project tickets and workflow, every company or team has its own instance. So basically, a Jira instance is like you own copy or version of Jira. It's where your team's data, projects, tickets, and workflows are stored. Think of it like having your own mini Jira world, your own workspace inside Jira. Now, Jira gives you two main ways to host or run your instance, cloud and server. So we will start with the Jira Cloud instance. As you can see, I wrote it here, hosted by Atlassian, the company behind Jira. You don't need to install or maintain anything. Access using a web browser, automatic updates and backups, best for small or medium teams. So a Jira Cloud instance means everything is managed by Atlassian itself. You don't need to install any software or manage any server. You just open your browser and start using it. Atlassian takes care of everything like updates, security, backups. It's fast to set up, always up to date, perfect for small and medium teams you who just want to focus on their work. So this is the Jira Cloud instance. And the second type is Jira Server, or you can say data center instance. Installed and managed by your own organization, you control where data is stored, requires setup, maintain, and updates, best for large companies with a strict security needs. So what does it means? A Jira server, now called Jira Data Centers, means that you host Jira yourself on your own computer or your own company server. That gives you full control over data, security, and performance. But it also means that you have to manage updates, take backups, and handle technical issues yourself. It's more powerful but needs more effort. Keep it in mind that Jira server is something little bit tricky than Jira Cloud Instance. Because on Jira server, you will have to manage everything by yourself. Its updates, its backups, uh, or you can say handle technical issues. Usually, these Jira servers are preferred by the big organizations that have their own IT teams. So, what is the difference between cloud and server? As we have discussed right now, that cloud instance is easier to maintain, easier to use, but server instances are a little bit tricky. For example, like I have already discussed it with you, that on the cloud end, Atlassian will take care of everything like updates, backups, or technical issues. But on the server side, since your team will be handling all the operations, all the things will be handled by your team. So the updates, backups, and technical issues will be handled by your end, not by the Atlassian automatically. So first is the hosting. Jira Cloud is handled by Atlassian, and Jira Server or data center must be hosted by you on your own server. The next one is setup time. Jira Cloud is quick, and on the Jira server, you need manual setup to make it in the running form. So that is a little bit more time taking. Maintenance, as we have discussed that on the Jira Cloud, maintenance is handled by Atlassian itself, and the on the server side, you have to manage the maintenance by yourself. Same for the security control. But on Jira Cloud, you have a limited security control, and on the Jira server, you have a full security control. Moreover, the difference is between its cost. The Jira Cloud is subscription based, but the Jira server is license based, and the last one is Jira Cloud is best for small or medium teams, but Jira server is used by large enterprises, large organizations that have their own IT teams. So this is the difference. So a quick recap: cloud is easier, faster to start, doesn't need any setup. just need to pay a subscriptions. But on the server or data center gives you a full control and customizations, but requires technical management. So for most freelancers or small teams, Jira Cloud is ideal. But if you are working in a big company with strict data rules, they often use Jira Server or data center. So the next one is just a minute. We have discussed about the pricing while we were uh, comparing these both. So let me go to the Jira Atlassian. As you can see in the pricing, for now, the default size is the team size with the 300 users, and you can see we have monthly and annually. Here on the pricing side, you can see the cloud charges and the server charges. For the basic setup, it's free, but with the according to the features, you can see that here's the increase in the price. So on this page, you can see what they offers you and on which prices. You can also see the servers. Our next topic is which one should you choose. So if you are just starting with the Jira, go for Jira Cloud. It's free for small teams and great for practice. But if you work for a company, you need a full data control. You should go with the server or data center. Let's get back to the next slide. So that is it for the today's episode. Now you know what a Jira instance is and the difference between Jira Cloud and Jira Server. In the next video, we will go practical. We will sign up for the Jira Cloud, explore the interface, and set up your first workspace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you are ready for the hands-on tutorials coming next. Take care. Bye.